Hello and good day everyone. I'm Ishika Razdan, and in this video I will show you how to search and add AerialBuz members to your connections. AerialBuz created the social site for drone enthusiasts who love to share and discuss all things drone related. So now let's go to the social drop-down and click on members. This will redirect you to the page where all the members who have signed up for AerialBuz will appear. On this page, you can also check your connections and the people you follow. If you want to add people, you can start by scrolling and clicking on this icon to connect with them. Or if you are searching for a particular person, you can filter by their first name, last name, or their nickname. You can also search for all fields. We also have this option of searching within a certain kilometer range or miles range, within a certain area, or your own location. If you click on this, it will automatically detect your location and you can enter by how many miles or kilometers you want to find the people and add them. Now, Celia wants to search for her friend Jessica. So let's search with the first name Jessica and then click on search. Now this takes us to the page where everyone with the first name Jessica will appear. So there are two Jessica Stevens, and if you want to confirm which one of them is your friend, you can click on their name to go to their profile. You can see the profile picture clearly and confirm if this is the person you want to add. Click on connect. If this is not the person you wanted to send a request to, no worries, you can always cancel the request by clicking here. Once you do that, your request will be cancelled. I hope you make a lot of friends on our social site and discuss everything which excites you about drones. Thank you and happy friending!